In this lesson, I'll show you how to find the derivative of tangent functions. What we will need is the following, where tangent u is equal to secant squared u times du with respect to dx. In other words, we'll write down secant squared, and whatever this u is, we'll rewrite it here, and then we'll take the derivative of u with respect to x and multiply it to this. Let's start with question A. Y is equal to 3 times tangent x squared. It's important to know that this squared doesn't belong to the tangent, it actually belongs to this x. So to begin answering this, I'll write down dy over dx. I took the derivative of y with respect to x, which gives me that, or simply y prime is equal to 3 secant squared. My u, technically here, is x squared, and I'll find the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. I'm done deriving. All I have to do is clean it up. 2 times 3 is 6. Secant squared x. Moving on to question B. Here we have to find out the derivative of y is equal to 2 times sine 3x times tangent 3x. To do this, we'll need to use the product rule, and that's shown right here. Technically, we have three factors here. 2 times this times that. I'll call this part my u and this part my v. Or I can leave the 2 out of it and then multiply it back in when I finish deriving simply the trigonometric functions. Regardless, we end up with the same answer. So starting with u, we don't do anything with it according to the formula. We will write down 2 times sine 3x. We will derive this. The derivative of tangent 3x, we'll start with secant squared 3x, and the derivative of 3x is simply 3, which I'll put over here. Plus, now I will leave this part alone, tangent 3x, and find the derivative of 2 sine 3x. We learned in previous lessons that sine, when you take its derivative, gives you cosine. With that being said, I'll do my work here and then place it there. We have 2 cosine 3x. The derivative of 3x is 3. So we have 6 cosine 3x, which I'll place right here, giving us our final answer. 6 sine 3x. I multiplied the 3 and the 2 together. Then we have secant squared 3x plus 6 tangent 3x. And interestingly, tangent 3x is the same thing as sine 3x over cosine 3x. I'll switch tangent 3x to its identity because by doing that, watch, sine 3x over cosine 3x times cosine 3x. This part and this part cancel out, leaving us with the following. And that's it. That's how to take the derivative of tangent functions.